Hey you guys, it's your girl That Jazz here and welcome back to my channel. And today, as you can see from the title of this video, I am unboxing my new iPad and a little gift that I gave to myself from Louis Vuitton. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you like this video and subscribe, share, and comment. I would love to see you come back. And if you're a returning bestie, hey bestie, and welcome back. So if you're interested in seeing my unboxing today, continue watching this video. Alright, first up is my perfume from Louis Vuitton. I've been wearing this perfume for a long time, and the thing about me, when I don't like going to the mall. I hate going to the mall. So when it comes to fragrances, I do not do blind buys. I don't know about you, but this girl right here, I do not do blind buys. So what I do is I go on eBay, and if I see people raving about a perfume or a scent, I will buy a little small sample for like $10, $20, and I will wear it and see how it goes with my body chemistry, because it may smell good to me, but it may smell disgusting to you. So that's what I do when it comes to perfumes. And then this one I love so much, but every time it was time for me to buy it, I don't know, got sidetracked or whatever, but I finally bought it. So I'm gonna do an unboxing with you guys today. So I got it shipped to my house. I ordered it offline because I want to do a little engraving, and you guys will see that as well. So come with this little envelope, and it got a return shipping if I want to take it back, which I'm not. And some more stuff from Louis Vuitton if I want to return it and all that jazz. But since this is a gift from myself, I sent myself a little note, and it reads, "Anything for you, Princess, Jazz." So anything for me. One thing about me, I love spoiling myself. And I mean, because if you don't spoil yourself, who will? So this is the box. It comes in. Let's have this open. And they gave me 2 samples too. Well, they gave me 2 samples, so I just picked which ones I want, and I'm gonna see how those smell too. This is what's in the box. So this is the actual perfume that I got. I got a little bow right there, and then these are my 2 samples. Now, y'all know my spelling and my pronunciation is just terrible. So I am going to write on the screen what my samples are, because I'm not trying to butcher these names. So here's the first sample, and then here's the second one. Both of these say the same thing. Let's open these up, because I could have sworn I got 2 different ones, but these literally say the same name. So I already know what I purchased smells like. So I want to see what these smell like. So I'm about to open this up. Because why would they give me the same thing? Yes, they literally gave me the same scent. And I know I picked 2 different scents. I just know I did. Okay, so they gave me the same scent. So I'm about to spray it. Now, I don't know if this is unisex or for men. Okay. Let me look this up. because this actually smells good. I'm gonna insert a picture of what they sent me as a sample. I don't know if this is for men or for women. All right, so back to while we're here. Okay, so this is the box it comes in. Let me see how do I open this. Got to tear it on the side here. I'm trying not to break a nail. This is the case it comes in, plain white case. They do sell like travel cases for like, I don't know, almost $1,000. I'm not buying that. But this is the case it comes in. And then I'm gonna open it up. This is the bottle. Super cute. And I got my birthday on here. That's what I got engraved. Because I couldn't do 4 letters. I only could do 3. So I was like, I'll just put my birthday on here. So this is how the bottle is looking. Super cute. And y'all, it smells so freaking good. Oh my God. I'm going to put the notes on here so y'all can see what it is. But yes. So is this perfume in y'all collection? Because it's definitely in mine. Since I smelt this like in my eBay sample, I was in love and I was like, I have to get this. I have to get this. And I like how this is like a magnetic top. It just like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but clamps together. Let's give it a spray. Oh my God. I cannot wait to wear this weekend. I cannot wait. I'm going to see how many heads I turn with this, honey. But yes, this is my perfume. I'm so happy I got it. So happy it's in my collection. Let me know if you got this. And, you know, just let me know if you got this in your collection. If not, when you add this to your collection, have you smelled it before? Do you want to get, because this is $320. So this, you don't want to blind buy this. You want to get a sample off eBay and, you know, wear it around a couple times to see if you like it. But I love this. So for my iPad, I want to show you guys some accessories I got with it. The whole purpose of me getting a new iPad is because for one, my old one, it was a 32 gig and the memory was just going out of it. And then also too, like I just wanted to use my iPad more. So I want to do more notes and do more things on my iPad. So I end up getting this paper-like screen protector. Make your iPad feel like paper. So I end up getting this because I like the feel. I want to take more notes in my iPad and I want to have things more digitally because I feel like I lose notebooks and I write down a lot of important information. Like I take a lot of courses, a lot of classes as it relates to self-development, business, entrepreneurship, things of that nature. And I just want all of my stuff in like just one place. So I feel like this will kind of help me get that paper-like feel on my iPad. I got this from Amazon after doing tons of research. This is pretty pricey. This was $44 and it comes with 2. Yes, $44. So basically $22 per sheet. They give you 2 in the box. If you guys would like for me to do a review on this, comment below and I will do a review to see how I like it. But this is my first time trying it. Also, I will not be putting this on my iPad on this video because looking at the description and reading the reviews, it's a little challenging to put this on your iPad. So I'm going to do this off camera by myself while I got time to concentrate and all that stuff. So, yeah. So, like I said, if you guys want me to do a review on this, I will. So, next up is I got a case. You need to protect your things, okay? So I got this also from off of Amazon after doing tons of research. What I like about this one is it has the clear back and I did get engraving on my iPad, which I will show you guys when I do the unboxing. It's the same color as the iPad. I got the pink one. What I like about this is that it has a slot for your iPad pencil. And also it has to, I have the old iPad pencil and it works just fine. So I didn't want to get a new iPad pencil. So I got the old one, and of course the old one doesn't work with the iPad that I currently have. I need an adapter. So what I like about this is that it fits my iPad pencil. As you can see, I lost my top because it's very easy to lose it. It fits my iPad, and it also fits my adapter. I ended up having to get an adapter because the adapter that did come with this, which I bought maybe 1 or 2 years ago, I lost it. I can't find it. I ended up buying an adapter. It was like $9. So I ended up buying this adapter. So I'm about to test it out and see if it fits. Yeah, one thing about Apple, they gonna charge you for everything, okay? They not gonna make anything compatible with nothing. So yes, it does fit somewhat. It fits somewhat. Yes. So my adapter does fit. So this is the reason why I got this case, because it fits my adapter. It fits my adapter, it fits my pencil, so that way I don't lose my adapter this time. You need this adapter in order to charge your pencil because you just can't stick it in the new iPad anymore. Of course, leave it to Apple to, you know, always charging us for everything. I don't know why we still mess with them, but it is what it is. So, it's the case. Comes with instructions on how to work it, but like, I love the clear back. I love the clear back. That way I can see my name, see my initials on my iPad. Dun, dun, dun. All right, so the moment we all been waiting for, my new iPad. So this is the 10th generation iPad with wireless and cellular. And I got the 256 gig. So this should last me a real long time. This should last me a long time. So, and of course I got it in the color pink. So let's open this bad boy right on up. Yeah, so 2024, we standing on big business, y'all. Big business. Big business. I struggle getting this out the box. Oh my gosh. Come on, Jasmine girl. Okay. Finally got the top off. I can see it through the screen. It's so cute. Hold on. Let me zoom in for this. Alright, so it comes with the charger, as you can see. And then this cord. I'm loving their new cords. Like, their cords now are like, they're not plastic anymore. They're, I don't know, woven. But they look and feel very sturdy. So, I like this. I like this a lot for Apple. So this is the iPad. We're going to do it from the back. Ooh, look at her. And then that's my engraving. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's my engraving. It says Jazz Naganzi. I didn't put all that jazz, but I put Jazz Naganzi on there because that's my name in real life. So yeah, super cute. Oh my God, y'all. She's so pretty. love it. Then I can write notes. I don't know if I could do it this way. I think I'm gonna write notes this way so it could be like a pen and paper type situation. You know, write notes like this. Yeah. And then I'm gonna start doing digital planners. This year I'm doing a lot of digital content. I'm making a lot of digital content, and my goal for 2025 is to come out with my own digital planner. So be on the lookout for that. So yeah, this is how she's looking. And what I like about this new one is that the camera is this way instead of this way or this way. Like it's here. So you can FaceTime like this. Apple must have heard us because they fixed the problem. And then your camera, I got it upside down. And your camera is like this. But yes, this is super sleek, super compact. I love it. And this color is so me. I know I could have gotten a black one to match my new laptop, but I'm not that type of girl. Everything doesn't have to be matchy-matchy. Everything doesn't have to match. Like, my own aesthetic is what I like. And I like pink, and the fact that they had pink, I got pink. And y'all see with my new laptop, I end up putting a pink cover over. Even though I love the black, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. I love the black. However, pink is my favorite color. And if I could have something pink, it will be pink. Now, if they had a pink laptop, best believe I would have got that pink laptop. But yes, this is how she's looking. I'm going to set her up and everything tonight. I cannot wait. But yes, if you want a review on either my case or my paper like screen protector that goes to my iPad, please comment below. That is it for this unboxing, y'all. I hope y'all like this video. I hope you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to Cape Town, South Africa for my birthday in December 5th through the 10th. So where are my Sagittarius at? If you want to celebrate your birthday with me in Cape Town, or if I have any Cape Town subscribers, please comment below because I am coming to your city. I am coming to your city in December. So please, 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 please let me know. But yes, we're going to Cape Town too. Once I get that information, I will be sure to put it down in the description box below. Or you can hit me up on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, whatever your jam is. I am on all those platforms. 2_, all that jazz. You can easily find me on any of those platforms. But without further ado, if you stayed this long, thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.